Happy quarantining. Here's my daily gratitude video. Today I am most grateful for friends. And I'm talking about the friends who are not your yes men, the friends who can read when something's wrong, the friends that when you tell them something that's extremely off the cuff, they don't judge you, but they listen. I recently read a quote that actually stopped me in my tracks, that you should listen to understand, not listen to respond. Sometimes when we're listening to people as they're telling us something, immediately we want to jump to respond. But instead, we need to understand what they're saying, and maybe what they're saying isn't even laid out so easily for you, but instead, you listen to understand what you think they're saying, and then give them the floor to finish what they're saying, and then you reply back. So a recent post was, I was having a little bit of a hard time practicing gratitude as I was critically thinking through some of the systems and processes that have been set in place due to coronavirus and this quarantine. And I shared my frustrations, my anger, my concerns with some friends, very close friends, and I feel better. I got it off my chest, and they didn't judge me for any of my thoughts. They challenged me to see it differently, but they respected how I felt, and I feel better today. I feel better today because I have good friends that I can speak to without judgment. We're transparent, we're authentic. Real friends, those true people who you could call in the time of anything, knowing that they won't judge you, but they will understand your perspective. And sometimes they won't, but they'll love you unconditionally. I'm grateful for them. Thank you to those who love me unconditionally. Thank you for those who listen to me through good and bad times. Thank you for real friends. That is what I'm most grateful for. What are you most grateful for? Peace.